What you want, bro?
Do you hear me?
What you want?
I want you to answer the phone.
Yeah, send me money. Yeah, send me money, dog. Answer which phone? For free? No, that again, bro.
So you were talking to me for free, is what you're saying. I wasn't financing your whole lifestyle. You're making it look like you were ever talking to me for free. That's BS, Jayden. Wasn't I financing your whole lifestyle? You're not gonna do that again? Who are you mixing me up with right now?
Me nah go back in another relationship with you. It's like you don't understand. Just leave me alone, dog. And stop company internet, brother. Leave me alone, charge you.
I can come on the internet as much as I want. You're here watching because you want to know what I have to say.
When
But you don't want to answer the phone because you're around people that are discouraging you from answering the phone.
when you go left, so I can get the place by myself, so I can bring in some
But
girl and go and
you
enjoy myself.
still want to get the place for yourself. Jayden, you've
What?
been talking about that you were gonna bring girls here. You never brought nobody here, so
Yeah, what about that for those 10 months? Sure.
you don't have to know when I'm leaving. I'm leaving when I feel like I need to leave. I don't feel like I have to give up or I have to walk away from this yet. I don't. So